A probability experiment consists of rolling a 6-sided die. Find the probability of rolling a number less than 3. So there are two numbers less than 3, 1 and 2. So 2 out of 6 total. So 2 out of 6, and you do a decimal of that, so that'd be 0.333. 7 of the 50 DVRs are known to be defective. What's the probability that the item is not defective? So if 7 of the 50 are defective, then the remaining ones, which means 50 minus 7 equals 43. So 43 are not defective. So 43 out of 50 are not defective. And that would be 0.86, or this should be good as well because they don't say the do in decimals. A pair of dice is rolled. So previously we had a one die roll, now a pair of dice is rolled. What's the probability of getting a sum of 3? So when you roll a pair of die, you have these possibilities. So you could get 1 and 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, and similarly you can get 2 and 1, 2 in the first, 1 in the second, and so on. So actually you have 36 possibilities if you count them, 6 in each row. 6 times 6 is 36. So you want a sum of, was it less than 3 or equal to 3? Sum of exactly 3. So sum of 3, let's go back. So 1, 2 sum to 3, and 2, 1 sum to 3. So 2 points, this point and this point sum to 3. So 2 points out of a total of 36 points. So 2 out of 36. 2 out of 36, and that simplifies to 1 out of 18. Use the spinner to answer the question. Assume that it's equally probable that the pointer will land in any of the 5 numbered spaces. Find the probability that the arrow will land on 4 or 5. So 4 or 5, and they together constitute 2 of the 5 spaces. So 2 out of 5. Total of 5 spaces, and 4 or 5 constitute 2 of those 5. Okay, in a certain game of chance, wheel consists of 48 slots numbered 0, 0, 0, and then 1 through 46. So now 1 through 46 is 46, and then you have 2 additional, the 0, 0, and the 0. So actually 48 total slots we have here. So first of all, the sample space is the set of all possible points. Determine the probability that a metal ball falls into the slot marked 6. So the slot marked 6 is just 1 out of the total 48 slots. So it's just 1 out of 48, and they want it to 4 decimal places. So 1 divided by 48 is 0.0208. Interpret. Select the correct choice below and fill the choice. If you do the spinning 1,000 times, so in each spin you have 0.0208 probability of getting a 6. So how many 6s do you expect if you do it 1,000 times? So you just multiply this 0.0208 by 1,000. So the decimal gets 1, 2, 3 places forward. So you'll get 20.8, and that rounds to 21. And now the question is exactly or about, so always about. Determine the probability that a metal ball lands on an odd slot. So the odd numbers will only come out of this 1 through 46. Now there are 46 total numbers, and half of them will be odd. So half of 46 is 23. So you will have 23 odd. But the total numbers are 48, as we talked before. The 2 zeros also. So 23 out of 48, and they want 4 decimal places. So 0.4792.